It's Mahana. So this is Waikiki Beach behind me. I arrived to Honolulu just yesterday in a wheelchair. It's Mahana. So I'm in Honolulu, Hawaii. This is my first time here in Hawaii. This is not too far from the Fiji Islands where I'm from, in the South Pacific. Just a crazy couple of weeks, so I didn't even get a chance to do a pack with me video, but I'll give you a quick glimpse at what I did pack and what happened to me on flight. In Honolulu in a wheelchair. A flight from Toronto to San Francisco and then San Francisco to Honolulu. So on the first flight, sat next to amazing people, a woman who won a business award and a young entrepreneur, so the conversations were amazing. Somehow getting into my seat, my foot slipped and I hurt my knee really bad and had to be wheelchaired around to my next flight, and also when I arrived in Honolulu. So I basically arrived in Hawaii crippled, and my knee is still sore. I was able to go into the ocean water earlier and it was difficult because the waves were moving around. I'm thankful. It could definitely have been worse. I am mobile, just limping a little bit, but I am just enjoying this beautiful weather. It was supposed to be stormy, but instead it's a beautiful day. I have a beauty conference coming up for the next couple of days, and I'll probably do a resort review as well. But if you don't already subscribe to my channel, follow along, and hit that notification button. You don't want to miss the upcoming videos. Bye.